Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable AI obstacle avoidance on DREAME L20 ULTRA. First we'll need to click on Go to Device inside the DREAME app, then click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen, scroll down and look for the AI obstacle avoidance. Then we can enable or disable it.
Function off.
When it's enabled,
AI recognition function on.
we can click on pet environment and switch between no pets or pets options. Then there's the pictures that we can enable or disable, and you can also read the privacy policy of pictures and agree to it to actually make this function work. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.